Shark Bite, and today is the first video on the channel. So I hope you enjoy this video. Today we're gonna be teaching you how to make slime. Okay. So what you're doing?
Yep. So this is 1 cup of hot water, heaping teaspoon of boric acid in this bowl. You want it to dissolve completely.
Tell me what you're making.
Slime.
Okay.
I thought you already said that.
I didn't.
Oh, okay. So we're making slime. And then in this bowl, we have a 1/2 cup of glue. There's something in there. I see it's burnt. 1/2 cup of glue, 1/2 cup of water. And then if you want color to it,
add some.
Somewhere.
There. So there.
I'm gonna add a little green. Okay, you can add all kinds of stuff. You can add
glitter if you want to.
Yeah, little beads, anything. Okay, so slowly, and this is what we were told, and this is our first experiment with it. It says to slowly add the water and boric acid, not to just pour it in there because you'll end up with a mess. So we'll do some tablespoons at a time, stir it. A few more. Oh, it said that it could get too stiff if you pour it all in there at once.
So do not do that.
So do not do that.
Your hand can be stuck in it forever.
Yeah, it doesn't seem to be getting much thicker though, so.
Don't do it too fast.
Huh? You're awfully close to the.
Yeah, because no one can see it.
Okay.
I have to be right over it.
Okay. I'm gonna slowly pour it, okay? Because it doesn't seem to be doing anything. I don't know.
It's kind of making it.
Not really. Think I didn't put enough boric acid?
It kind of works.
Oh, I see it now.
It's getting thicker.
Yeah, in places.
So that's why I keep stirring it. You got stirred a lot.
No, I think it needs more of this, and I think we need more boric acid. I really do. I'm gonna add some more.
Just a little bit, not too much.
Yeah, a little bit.
That's a lot.
Well, I don't know. I won't pour it all in there.
It's
just not doing anything. I mean, barely doing anything. Well, let's try it now.
Put your hand in there first.
Just pour it in there like it said not to.
Oh my gosh.
Now it's getting thicker. But it's clumpy. It's not.
It's supposed to be clumpy.
You want me to get out the blender, the mixer, and
nope.
Look at that. It's chunky.
It's kind of weird. Oh.
Yeah.
This is.
It's like there's too much water.
I think there is.
I think there is too much water. This is a fail.
Fail.
I'm gonna strain it. How about that?
Let's strain it.
How about let's put some more boric acid in it?
They're getting out on me, not right?
Well, it's not going to do anything to you.
In my eye.
So what? They use it as an eye wash. Look, it's getting thicker.
Oh, cool.
All right, I think that's what we needed. Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's right. I think you are supposed to strain it out of the water, right? Yeah.
They didn't say that, but okay.
Yeah, you do. Oh, there it is. There it is.
Show everyone. Show everyone.
Ew. It doesn't feel right.
It's not like slime.
Oh, it doesn't feel like it either. Ew.
It's like weird zombie brains.
Ew.
It's zombie brains. Ew.
I think this is what they said not to do.
Yeah, it is. I think this might be
But Matthew,
fail.
it feels funny. You have to feel it.
Okay, I'll feel it.
It doesn't feel like slime. It's weird.
I've seen people make slime like this.
It feels like that?
Yeah.
Are you really feeling it?
I am actually. Ah, it feels so
Yeah,
weird.
run your fingers through it. It's gritty.
Ah,
It's gritty. It's not slimy. It's gritty.
Ah,
Yeah.
that's yucky.
Yeah, very yucky.
This isn't.
No,
That's.
that's a, yeah.
It's not slime like this. Maybe you can do better.
Isn't that what they said? They said not to do that because it'll get hard, and that's what happened. It got hard.
Yeah, do not pour like it in there like really
I don't
fast.
think we had the right glue.
Don't do that. Please.
Our glue wasn't good.
Yeah,
That's a big ball.
try different kind of glue
Look.
if you're gonna do this.
You want a
Alright.
ball? We got a ball.
Okay.
We got
Oh.
a plastic ball. There.
Oops, I
It's a
accidentally showed
ball.
your face. Sorry, I accidentally showed your face.
No, you're not putting that on. You're not allowed to.
I did accidentally do. I accidentally did.
Look, it's a ball. This is what we really meant to do. Surprise! We were making a ball the whole
We
time.
can't see it because, or else we'll see your face. We keep seeing your face. Actually, you know that, right?
That's because you keep sticking it on my face.
No, I don't. Okay.
So we're
Well,
gonna roll
this is a
it, pat it. There, you have a ball. A slime ball.
Guys, out.